Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Reno6 5G to OPPO device. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then choose Open. Now we need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download. And do the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here you need to select Receive on OPPO device and Send on OPPO Reno6 5G. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo. Select Send and click on Got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on OPPO device, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Then we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like Files or File Manager. Select in my case Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!